Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to check kayak for leaks. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Leaks are one of the most common problems that kayakers face and can be very frustrating. If not dealt with properly, they can cause serious damage to your kayak and may even result in you having to replace it. Before taking your kayak out on the water, it's important to check it for leaks. The most common way to check for leaks in your kayak is to inspect it visually, or you can even fill it up with soap water to check for any leakage. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, how do kayaks leak? Number 2, how to find a leak in a kayak. Number 3, how to clean and avoid getting water inside a kayak. Number 4, can you ignore one small leak in a kayak? Number 5, how do you minimize kayak's damages? And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.